Break up, right?
No, sir.
I'm gonna die.
Here you go. Why is my car lifted?
Because you blew your shocks.
I said. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogs. I know I haven't posted for last Wednesday that passed. My apologies.
I hate myself. It's the other side.
Well,
wait a minute.
so that's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, alright guys. So today we're working on the Is300. As he's humming away, we have the car lifted in a specific angle because we're gonna make this car louder. It's not loud enough for me yet. So today I am purchasing his white pipe from his old Is300. And hopefully with that, that'll make it a little bit more louder.
You're gonna pop a bit actually.
What do you mean pop?
I popped with that pipe. Like I was popping in gurgles.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I had Is300 headers, which we'll get you next.
That's if I don't swap the that's if I don't swap the motor.
The 1J header?
I don't know what I'm doing yet. It's a secret. God, I'm filming.
No,
wait.
He's gonna put a 1UZ.
What? Alright, so the first step we're gonna do is gonna start the removal. What's the size for it? Socket size? 14. It's kind of hard to film. There's not a lot of space. But it'll be right there. That one, right there. For both sides, it's gonna be 14s. It's pretty simple. You want me to grab that side?
Let's see if we can get this tool under there.
Bolts are seized?
Yeah, they're old. All the heat welding and all that. Ah, there we go. Woo!
Sound like you nutted.
Better.
Better!
Hey, what's behind me? Ah, what's this?
A
Oh,
wrench?
it's my cat.
There's a cat?
Oh no, it's my cat. Go! Sweet. Love power tools.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Good.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah. Finally, it's out.
Sweet.
I'm trying to film, guys.
Nice. I hate the world. Yeah, thank God for Thank God for power tools.
Milwaukee, please sponsor us. We always need tools.
Honestly. So, do you move? No, because why'd you burn yourself in?
The exhaust? Still
Ow.
I think I'm gonna scratch myself.
Golly. I'm touching this thing. Yes. One more.
Oh, it's pretty. Thought it was gonna be harder.
No, I thought your bolts were going to be more serious. Here, get these. Move it!
No, you move it.
No, I'm talking about the bolt by my head. Does my fat ass fit here?
You're like, please do. I can. Oh my God, we lifted the car, and now I can actually film. Ah!
I wonder if you fit. If you fit that.
Film. I gotta see. Suspension-wise, everything looks good.
Not really.
Everything feels good. Everything feels good. It is mint. Here, I got you.
And then I'll be able to flip.
Alright, use my leg power to get that last bolt out.
He has leg power because he's a beaner like me and we play soccer. Okay. Tools, they come in clutch. If not, we
So,
would have been here.
to take off the old sensor, you gotta buy the little C ratcheting wrench. See if you guys have it. The Schwab. I mean, an O'Reilly's or an AutoZone should have it. So
yeah, I bought mine off Snap-on. I said I was fan. Oh man, that hurt.
Yeah, well there you go.
I gotta have my jacket on, dude. I would have hurt myself more.
That shit hurted, it did.
It did, dude.
So, that's out. Wait, no lighting. 2 holes. 1 hole. 1 big old hole.
Fuck you.
So now that it's out, we have more room. I see my cats, so if anyone wants to come over and steal them, I don't know how much they sell them for, but it's gonna be really hard for you to steal them because that looks sucky. But on to the next step. We're finally gonna be able to put it on. So it's only 3 bolts, right?
Yeah,
so here's the 3 bolts. Give me 1 second. So it's only 3 bolts. It's this one, gasket film, this one, that one, and then for the rear it has 2 bolts as well. So on to the next step. If I was you do have the chance of, like, mine's already charcoaled, as I was told, you can change it out. But me, I don't really care.
That one sucks. You wanna know why?
Why?
You gotta string it under the passenger seat. The connector's under the passenger seat. So
Oh shoot, is it really?
Yeah, you gotta fish it through the whole thing.
Well, that's exactly why I'm not gonna change it. But you guys change it.
Improve gas mileage.
No. Does it look like I want gas mileage?
You hear my home?
Alright, so this is mine. This was his. I'm about to feel the difference. I feel exactly the same.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the difference?
You'll
Wait,
hear it when you turn on the car.
You promise? 'Cause
Yeah.
if I don't hear a difference, one of these is gonna go up yours.
Oh, you'll hear it.
I mean, I do feel a little bit of difference. This one does feel a little bit lighter. Not a per se big difference, but it's time to put it back on.
I don't wanna.
I don't want to either, but it's just.
After this, we're gonna go check out a J pipe for me.
So that's gonna be another video for his car. So stay tuned. On the boys, we're rolling out.
Look, and he's gonna pass from state ref. They're not even gonna pull him over. He's gonna pass state ref easy.
So we don't have the actual OEM gaskets, but we're gonna make one. This Cante Warrior is making them for me. We just had to put them on top.
Good? Okay. I was suggested this by another IS owner who had a Megan white pipe. And if you own an IS, you know about the Megan white pipe, they leak with the gaskets. 100% they leak no matter how much you do. He suggested me Rim Flex. You can find it online. It's pretty cheap. It's like $30. Comes next day. It's pretty thick too.
You promise?
Yes, I promise.
Like thick, like how, like you on a Sunday night
No,
with booty shorts?
like Eddie on a Monday morning after he wakes up.
Now, if you're wondering where Eddie's at, he's being a fiend. He's working out, being healthy. Who does that? He's a mechanic. No one does that. Come on.
Oh no.
Yeah, imagine. He said he might come. Alrighty. So, he already finished creating the actual holes for the gasket for this. And we're ready to put it back on. There's a bunch of cats everywhere. And so I'm excited now that I'm gonna be louder. So let's get it. Okay.
See what I said about smashing it in? Me va a ayudar, wey.
Okay. So we already put it on. That's why I couldn't film. It takes really few people to do it. It's already starting to tighten up the bolt. I don't know about Mr. Freaking. Really don't need. There is really no torque spec. I mean, unless you want to go all OEM and everything. But we're ghetto. And there's stuff falling in my eyes.
Yeah, that's called ref.
Does it matter? Just don't get it in your eyes.
Just no leak.
Alright, we're about to find out. You wanna start recording me and I'll start.
Hold on, I gotta do the other side for
That's
you.
what I'm gonna do.
Oh, you are? Okay. Okay, everybody, you're gonna watch the studious fool over here. Fool studious.
How do you use this?
Studious. Here, new gaskets for both of them, and he's licking a tool. Now I just gotta tighten up that, tell him to warm it up, and then we'll show you guys the sound clip.
Aw, dude, I didn't even do it before and after.
Okay, here's here. I didn't get to stop it.
No, I mean like before and after, like
Don't worry about it. And my nose says you guys do that all the time.
Shh, we're recording.
I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna wait that up there, up in the tree.
Hey, wait, I think you gotta clean the lens on this.
If you're a mechanic, you don't clean your hands.
I meant your lens.
Oh, my lens? Sounds exactly the same.
Rev it.
Hey guys, this is the next day. I want you guys to hear it as a cold start. I know it's not gonna be insignificantly louder, but I know it'll make a little bit different. I heard it yesterday when I was driving it, so I'll put you down for a bit. Yeah. Like I said, very minimal. Alrighty, so this is so now I'm taking the Lexus out to drive. I've heard it a little bit more louder than what it originally was. So we're gonna do one because I'm really low on gas. We're gonna do one without, I guess, low on gas, and see what's one with more gas, because I know you can kind of hear the difference sometimes. But you're about to hear it right now. It's a bit louder. Yeah, I guess it's just depending, you know. But it is a bit louder. Now let's do one pull with more gas in it, and then from there that'll be the end of the video. When your pockets hurt because these gas prices are so dumbly high, expensive. And then I'm gonna be doing a pool right after, so it's just gonna hurt just as bad. But let's get to the pool. Okay, so I'm on open road now. Let me try it with the windows up. I mean, I know it probably is a lot of wind. To me, it sounds like a lot of wind, but the car is, like I said, it's not that loud yet, so let's just wait for the light to turn. Oof! Just witnessed that. Alright. Turn. Give me 1 second. Like I said, it wasn't gonna be that loud, but it was gonna be a little bit more louder. I do want this car to sound loud. I've been told if I go 3-inch piping all around, that I will sound a little bit more louder. That is kind of the goal, what I want to be. But so I have a question for you guys. What else do you want to see done to the Is300? I want to know what you guys want. I know there's a lot of people out there who like Is300s and they like seeing builds. I want to see what you want to see on there. I want to see if you want to see more cosmetics, engine work done, more how-to videos. Let me know, because I know there's very limited stuff for the Is300. Not a lot of people post about it, but let me know. So that'll be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys are liking the videos. I know I've been kind of slacking on it. I'm doing my best. I'm trying to push as much content as I can, because I'm trying to stick in a budget. but it gets kind of expensive. But I do thank everybody who subscribed, liked, and watched the videos. So keep subscribing, guys. Keep bringing the subscribers in. So let me know that you guys are still enjoying the videos, and we're trying to grow more, not only as a team, as an individual for here, and we do now have a separate Instagram account for the racing team, for like my 350Z. I believe I have a homie with his Honda. He's gonna make that into a track car. I am planning to buy maybe another vehicle as a different sport. Yeah, different sport. And more people are welcome to join with my sponsorships that can help. And hopefully, if there's any other sponsorships that want to sponsor us, we're looking and trying to join in every little sport: time attack, drifting, drag racing, you know, as much as we can join, I guess. So yeah, if there's any sponsors out there that would love to team up with us, even though I know we're a stupidly small account, and I highly doubt anybody's gonna see this, but if anybody can, we need tires. Tires and wheels are one of the biggest things that we're kind of struggling with right now. But if there's anybody out there that can lend us a hand, please let us know. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are liking the videos. Please like and subscribe, share them with your friends. We gotta grow. I hope by the end of this year we can hit 5K at least. That's the goal. But I want to see if you guys can blow my mind. Maybe we can hit 10K. Who knows? But yeah, let's get to it. Later, guys.